So it's time for this month's slow stitching, and we're going to be doing an Easter project. This is the bunny project, and the templates are available on my Ko-Fi page, and the link is somewhere on YouTube. So I'll put it on the description to the video as well. So with this first one, I'm making sort of a quilted bunny rabbit, and I'm using a piece of cotton, some quilt wadding, and some jumper, which is a cashmere jumper, and it's slightly felted, so I'm putting that as a sandwich, and I'm just using a little bit of spray on temporary adhesive just to hold those together while I stitch around the template. Now I have printed the template off onto sticker paper. It's a sticker that's easy to remove from fabric, but it's just sticker paper that I bought from Amazon, and I use that to be able to sew around, and that made it nice and easy to make that bunny shape rather than having to transfer the actual image onto the fabric itself. Now I did think of doing a slightly different version of this, which would be to sew around the bunny template using the same sandwich, but cutting neater rectangles of the fabric and the wadding, and then once I'd sewn the actual template shape, I would sew some lovely slow stitching in the blank space around the bunny, and I thought that might be really nice to sort of quilt the rectangle, and then that would make a really nice picture, or you could even add it to a quilt if you wanted to, but this is supposed to be for decoration purposes, so I thought that might make a really nice picture. I'm not sure whether you understand what I mean by that, but I haven't done it, but I might do it at some point in the future. But for this one I just cut around each of the bunnies so that it actually made a bunny shape. So we've got the felt, the lovely soft cashmere felt on one side, and then the pretty cotton on the other side. And what I did then was just pick out some pretty beads, and I just beaded around each of the bunnies, and did it wasn't quite a blanket stitch, but it was enough to sort of sew up the edge a little bit more. Then I had a look in my pastel stash of embellishments and slow stitching and all that sort of goodness stuff in my jars and my boxes, and I decided to go with these pretty little sequin roses or sequin flowers. And on the back I've added something really cute, these little bunny tails. Oh look, it hopped away from me there. And I thought they look really cute, and I'm thinking of making those into hanging decorations, but I haven't quite decided yet. Now the next project is using this wool felt, and I got this on Etsy, and I'll leave a link below, and I'm making some pretty little bunnies, and they are either hanging decorations. You can make them into a banner, a little garland, or alternatively dot them around your garden, hide them for the children to find. So basically a straight stitch all the way around the outside of the little bunny shape, and I did find it useful here to have some tools to be able to stuff the wadding in. I'm using exactly the same quilt wadding that I used for the other one, but in this case I've just torn it up and made it into a little bit of a ball. You have to go very slowly because I've made the template much smaller for this one, and I had to stuff it into the ears, so it's quite small. And then again just finished it off with a straight stitch and added a little tail on the back and a little heart, a little sequin flower on the front, and I thought they look absolutely adorable because I just love those beautiful sort of pastel shades all together. It's called Vintage Pastels, I think, from that particular shop. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing these. I really enjoyed making them. They're going to look really cute when they are hanging up or hidden for people to find. They are actually gifts, so hopefully you'll enjoy making some of your own. Templates are available completely free to download from Ko-Fi. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. You take care. Bye!